In the digital age of 2024, the landscape of making money online has evolved, presenting new opportunities and challenges for beginners. Harnessing the power of artificial intelligence, AI, individuals can now explore innovative and efficient ways to generate income with minimal effort. In this guide, we'll delve into the lazy way to make money online using AI, providing beginners with actionable strategies to kickstart their journey towards financial success. Number 1. Understanding the potential of AI in online money-making. Artificial intelligence has revolutionized various industries, including finance, healthcare, and entertainment. In the realm of online entrepreneurship, AI offers unparalleled capabilities for automation, data analysis, and decision-making. By leveraging AI tools and platforms, beginners can tap into vast data sets, predict market trends, and streamline business processes, paving the way for passive income streams. Number 2. Exploring passive income opportunities with AI-powered platforms. One of the laziest ways to make money online is through passive income streams facilitated by AI-powered platforms. From affiliate marketing and content creation to e-commerce and stock trading, there are countless avenues to explore. Beginners can utilize AI algorithms to identify profitable niches, optimize advertising campaigns, and automate repetitive tasks, allowing them to earn money while they sleep. Number 3. Leveraging AI chatbots for customer engagement and sales. In the realm of e-commerce and digital marketing, AI chatbots have emerged as powerful tools for customer engagement and sales conversion. By integrating chatbots into their websites or social media platforms, beginners can provide personalized customer support, recommend products, and guide users through the purchasing process. With AI algorithms continuously learning and adapting to user behavior, chatbots can significantly enhance conversion rates and revenue generation. Number 4. Monetizing content creation with AI-generated articles and videos. Content creation is a lucrative avenue for making money online, but it often requires significant time and effort. Fortunately, AI technology has simplified the content creation process, allowing beginners to generate articles, videos, and graphics with minimal input. By utilizing AI-powered tools such as natural language processing, NLP, and deep learning algorithms, individuals can produce high-quality content at scale, attracting audiences and monetizing their creations through advertising, sponsorships, and subscriptions. Number 5. Investing in AI-driven financial markets. For those interested in the world of finance and investment, AI presents lucrative opportunities to capitalize on market trends and generate passive income. AI-driven trading platforms utilize advanced algorithms to analyze market data, execute trades, and manage investment portfolios automatically. Beginners can leverage these platforms to invest in stocks, cryptocurrencies, and other financial instruments, potentially earning substantial returns without active involvement. Number 6. Creating niche websites with AI-generated content. Niche websites remain a popular avenue for generating passive income through affiliate marketing, advertising, and sponsored content. With AI-powered content generation tools, beginners can quickly populate their websites with relevant articles, product reviews, and multimedia content. By targeting specific niches with high demand and low competition, individuals can attract organic traffic and monetize their websites through various revenue streams. Number 7. Harnessing the power of AI for SEO optimization. Search engine optimization, SEO, plays a crucial role in driving organic traffic to websites and online platforms. AI-powered SEO tools leverage machine learning algorithms to analyze search engine algorithms, identify keyword opportunities, and optimize website content for maximum visibility. Beginners can utilize these tools to improve their website search rankings, increase organic traffic, and enhance their overall online presence, leading to higher revenue potential. Number 8. Building AI-driven email marketing campaigns. Email marketing remains a highly effective strategy for engaging with customers, nurturing leads, and driving sales. AI-powered email marketing platforms utilize predictive analytics, personalization algorithms, and automation features to deliver targeted and relevant content to subscribers. Beginners can leverage these platforms to create and optimize email campaigns, segment their audience, and track key metrics to improve conversion rates and ROI. Number 9. Implementing AI-powered social media marketing strategies. Social media platforms offer vast opportunities for reaching and engaging with target audiences, but managing multiple accounts can be time-consuming. AI-driven social media marketing tools enable beginners to automate content scheduling, analyze audience behavior, and optimize advertising campaigns across various platforms. By harnessing the power of AI, individuals can streamline their social media marketing efforts, increase brand visibility, and drive traffic to their online ventures. Number 10. Embracing AI for personalized product recommendations. E-commerce businesses can significantly enhance their revenue potential by implementing AI-powered product recommendation systems. These systems analyze user behavior, purchase history, and preferences to deliver personalized product suggestions tailored to each individual's interests. By integrating AI recommendation engines into their online stores, beginners can increase average order value, encourage repeat purchases, and foster customer loyalty, ultimately driving revenue growth. Number 11. Optimizing AI-driven advertising campaigns. In the ever-evolving landscape of digital advertising, optimizing campaigns for maximum effectiveness is crucial. AI-driven advertising tools have emerged as game changers, revolutionizing the way marketers manage and optimize their ad campaigns. These sophisticated tools leverage machine learning algorithms to analyze vast amounts of data, identify patterns, and make real-time adjustments to ad performance. By automating campaign optimization, audience targeting, and budget allocation, beginners can significantly improve their advertising ROI with minimal effort. A key advantage of AI-driven advertising is its ability to identify high-converting audiences and ad creatives. Traditional methods of targeting and creative development often rely on guesswork and intuition, leading to suboptimal results. Number 12. Implementing AI-powered customer relationship management, CRM systems. Customer relationship management, CRM, is the backbone of successful businesses, enabling organizations to build strong relationships with their customers and drive long-term loyalty. AI-powered CRM systems take this a step further by leveraging machine learning algorithms to analyze customer data, predict behaviors, and automate communication workflows. These advanced systems enable beginners to track customer interactions across various touchpoints, from website visits and email interactions to social media engagement and purchase history. With AI-powered CRM, beginners can personalize marketing messages and offers based on individual preferences and behaviors, creating a more tailored and engaging customer experience. Number 13. Monetizing AI-generated art and creativity. Artificial intelligence has revolutionized the creative process, enabling individuals to generate stunning artworks, music compositions, and designs with unprecedented speed and efficiency. For beginners with a passion for creativity, there are numerous opportunities to monetize their AI-generated creations and turn their hobbies into lucrative income streams. AI-powered tools and platforms offer a wide range of possibilities, from creating digital art and music tracks to designing logos, illustrations, and 3D models. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the lazy way to make money online with AI. If you find this guide helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more insights, tips, and strategies to succeed in the digital world. Don't miss out on future updates and opportunities to level up your online ventures. Subscribe now and turn on notifications to stay ahead of the curve. Until next time, happy earning.